Hey there, welcome to our channel where we share the latest and greatest natural remedies to improve your health and well-being. In this video, we're going to be discussing 5 natural teas that are great for improving digestion. But before we dive into the content, we'd like to kindly ask you to hit the subscribe and like button to stay updated on our latest videos. We all know how uncomfortable digestive issues can be, from bloating to indigestion. Thankfully, Mother Nature has given us a variety of herbs and plants that can aid in digestion and soothe our stomachs. Let's take a look at 5 of the best natural teas for improving digestion. Ginger tea. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It contains compounds called gingerols and phthales which help to relax the muscles in the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and promote digestion. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is a well-known herb that is often used for digestive issues. It contains compounds called menthol and terpenes which have a relaxing effect on the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing bloating and gas. Peppermint tea is also great for reducing nausea and improving overall digestion. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a natural anti-inflammatory and has been shown to reduce stomach cramping. It contains compounds called flavonoids which help to relax the muscles in the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. Chamomile tea is also great for reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Fennel tea. Fennel is an excellent herb for digestion, as it helps to relax the muscles in the digestive tract and reduces inflammation. It contains compounds called anethole and fenchone which help to promote digestion and reduce bloating. Fennel tea is also great for reducing constipation and improving overall digestive health. Dandelion tea. Dandelion is a natural diuretic and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It contains compounds called inulin and terpenes which help to stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation. Dandelion tea is also great for detoxifying the liver and improving overall digestive health. So there you have it, 5 natural teas that can help improve your digestion and keep your stomach happy and healthy. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button to show your support and stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.